You might know the king of video platform is YouTube, with over 1 billion hours watched daily by over 2 billion viewers worldwide. It's a unique platform offering tons of traffic. So today, I will tell you how you can start YouTube affiliate marketing with some super practical tricks. So make sure to hit that like button below. The fantastic thing is that you don't need 1K subscribers to start affiliate marketing on YouTube. YouTube is a beneficial and profitable source for affiliate marketers. Even though getting on the YouTube path and making videos may seem a bit confusing and scary at first, but it's a piece of cake once you get the hang of it. First of all, what do you need to be a YouTube affiliate marketer? You will need a Google account to set up your YouTube account easily. This is necessary for a channel. Click on Settings in your YouTube account and create Custom Channel. Decide the niche of your channel. Make sure you pick something that will stay relevant. Some popular niches fit for YouTube affiliate marketing are how-to videos. In these videos, you can show your audience how to paint, boil an egg, fix your computer, or change a screw. Whatever you can do accurately with confidence will do. Number 2. The best of compilation. Best of scenes compilation can be your favorite artist on sets or best of fails in the MasterChef kitchen. Number 3. Ranking videos. In ranking videos, you can list, evaluate, and justify your ranking of the best football players, Japanese horror movies, or anything. Number 4. Reviews. You can also make a series of review videos where you can review movies, music, electronics, supplements, linens, and whatever you like. Number 5. Unboxing videos. This is popular for influencers or those who get promotional stuff sent to them. Unboxing videos are when you open up a product on screen and comment on every aspect of the process. Number 6. Gear list videos. You can tell and show viewers what and how to pack for a certain kind of trip. These videos are usually set in the outdoorsy niche. So once you decide what niche fits you best, you can start. Make sure you have the equipment to film your video. For example, if you want to film yourself viewing a product or talking about the benefits of a new supplement, you will need a camera, good lighting, and editing software. Don't panic. Before investing in anything, look through what you already have at home. Your smartphone can be enough to prepare your first videos. Or you may already have a camera at home that you have yet to use. You don't need the newest or most expensive video gear to start. So don't worry about that. Ensure that you film in a well-lit area near a window. Lighting can make your videos look so much better. Trust me. Always record in the highest resolution your camera allows you. After you have recorded your video, plenty of editing softwares are available for free online. So use them to edit your video. Make sure you post content regularly. The next thing is traffic. Traffic that will view your videos, click your links, and make purchases to earn you commissions. Without traffic, you can't make money. I'll give some tips on how you can increase the traffic on your channel, so stay tuned until the end. The next step is to find affiliate programs that align with your content and viewership. Numerous YouTube affiliate programs are available for a wide selection of content topics. Many websites have some of the best YouTube affiliate marketing programs in different industries, so you can search online and start your YouTube affiliate marketing on the right foot. Before I tell you how to get traffic, like the video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. Now, I will tell you how you can get traffic, views, and conversions. As I said before, YouTube is the second biggest search engine, so plenty of traffic is available. But to get that traffic, you need a strategy, just like any other platform. But YouTube is owned by Google, so its algorithm requires a different approach. You need to encourage engagement with your content, because the more people engage with your videos and channel, the higher up YouTube's algorithm will place you. Remind your viewers during the video or at the end to comment, like, and subscribe to your channel. Interact with commenters. Like that you stimulate activity by answering questions and comments, and you also build a connection and trust with your followers. Try to get featured on another channel or bring a guest onto your videos. Do collaborations and giveaways. This way, you can get into another set of followers. Always have a call to action. Direct your viewers with a clear message and a prominent button. Send them where you want them to go with a prominent CTA. Build up a social media presence, because having some social media channels alongside YouTube is a helpful way to find traffic from other sources. You can make your own blog or website. It provides another platform to get traffic. This way is much more conducive to appearing in search engine results. As you are limited in placing affiliate links on YouTube, you can direct viewers to your website or blog. The most important tip: keep track of what's going on and what's working best for you. In affiliate marketing, tracking your campaigns, offers, and conversions is essential. You will undoubtedly grow if you know how to learn. Now, where should you put your affiliate links on YouTube? This is the most crucial part of affiliate marketing. Listen to this. Always place your affiliate link in an easy-to-find, clickable spot. Put the link in the video description. Make sure you place it above the cutoff line of the description so that it is evident and people can see it without clicking. Always remind your viewers to click on the link. You can direct viewers to your website or social media, where they can click on your offer. Now, the strategy requires a website or another social media channel. Also, if you have multiple affiliate links to different products, put only a few in your video description. Too much will overwhelm viewers. They can access more of your links by going to your website or other mediums. Now, I will give you 3 SEO tips for YouTube affiliate marketing. Optimize your content for YouTube queries, according to keywords like any other search engine. Use the suggested terms generated by YouTube and Google search engines. Optimize your video title, description, and tags. Your title can be up to 100 characters long, but only 70 will appear in the search results. So be careful of the length and how you arrange it. Only 100 to 150 characters of your video description appear as a snippet in the search results. So ensure you have your most important information and an affiliate link in those first few lines. On YouTube, you can build up a loyal following through subscribers. So the more dedicated and engaged your following is, the more clicks, conversions, and commissions you will be making. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey of affiliate marketing on YouTube to make some good money. That's all for today, guys. I hope you found the video helpful. Like and share the video and subscribe to my channel to learn more ways to make money online. See ya!